asking till the time I got 2 5. Okay. Everything I've asked in the paper, the test you can write now. Akshi, Akshat. Come on, join your hands, close your eyes. Kids anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Good evening, children. A big good evening to all of you. We are going to the last day for assessment today. We're going to write concept today. Okay. So, has almost everybody has joined. Good evening, Arjun.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Kaushik. Good evening, Kavin.
Ma'am, today frog dance.
What, Yuvan sir?
Frog dance.
Frog dance. You mean the crazy frog dance?
Yes.
Okay. We'll dance Christmas song once and then we'll dance that. Okay, on Monday we'll dance the crazy
Good
frog
evening,
dance.
ma'am.
Good evening, Izan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good evening, ma'am.
On Monday we'll dance that Yuvan Sai. Okay, now we are going to dance a Christmas Day song. Okay, please stand up, children. Good evening, Ryan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Lakshita. next children? Adya, Arav,
Here, ma'am.
Akshat,
Here, ma'am.
Arjun,
Here, ma'am.
Dayanand,
Here, ma'am.
Gautam Rishi,
Here, ma'am.
Ritvik,
Here, ma'am.
Jayakrish,
Here, ma'am.
Kaushik,
Here, ma'am.
Navin, Kumaraguruparan,
Here, ma'am. Here, ma'am.
good evening Kumaraguruparan, Lakshita,
Here, ma'am.
Lakshraj,
Here, ma'am.
Laksha,
Here, ma'am.
Dekshita,
Here, ma'am. Here, ma'am.
Satvik,
Here, ma'am. Here, ma'am.
only once children please. Satvik, then Nikita, Nivin Surya,
Here, ma'am.
Roshan,
Here, ma'am.
Mahaswin, Ryan, Sai Charan,
Here, ma'am. Here, ma'am.
Izan,
Here, ma'am.
Shiva,
Here, ma'am.
Shravan,
Here, ma'am.
Karnika,
Here, ma'am.
you and Sai.
Here, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are going to write concept test today, children. All the very best, think and write. Okay, it's very easy. As I said from the initial class, no unmuting it. Okay? Write whatever you know and please don't feel bad if you don't know the answer. Okay? This is to learn how far we know. If we don't know any answer, think whatever you know, you can learn it later also. So please don't feel bad or cry for that. Okay, and please don't ask your parents, this one or that one. No, this one. Don't ask any answers from your parents. Okay, it's your test. It's you who have to write. Okay, will you all be honest? Show me thumbs up. Let me see how many are honest with me. Okay. Okay, ma'am will share the chat. Ma'am has shared the link. So just everybody click the link. I'm also clicking the link and I'm ready now. So 30 marks now. Okay, concept is for 30 marks. Did you all see the link in the chat? Please click on the link. Okay, first write your name, children. Write your name here. Wrote the name. Okay, I'm going to read the first question now. Let me count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. First question. Identify the habitat for the given animal. The animal picture will be given. Okay. Look and find out where the animal will be. What is the habitat of the animal? First option, polar region, desert, grassland, rainforest. The options are, for this animal, identify the habitat for the given animal. This animal is scorpion. Find out the habitat is polar region, desert, grassland or rainforest. Choose the correct answer. First one. Second question. Identify the habitat for the given animal. You know, everybody knows this animal, right? Whether the habitat of this animal is polar region, desert, grassland or rainforest. What is habitat of this animal? Polar region, desert, grassland, rainforest. Has everybody found the link, clicked it, started writing? Everybody wrote your name, started. Are you all with me in the second question now? Anybody hasn't started yet, let me know upfront. Has anybody not started? Everybody started, right? Okay. Third question. Identify the habitat for the given animal. Polar region, desert, grassland, or rainforest. The habitat of this animal. Polar region, desert, grassland, or rainforest. Fourth question. Identify the habitat for the given animal. Polar region, desert, grassland, or rainforest. Habitat of this animal. Habitat of this bird or animal, we can bird. Polar region, desert, grassland, or rainforest. Everybody done with the first 4 questions? Has anybody not done? You can raise your hand. Gautam, Grutvik, Jayakrish, Arjun, done? Okay, do Arjun. No, you did. Okay. Come in. Have you finished till 4th question? Okay, Jayakrish. Okay, I'm moving on to 5th question. Identify the insect name based on the product or the picture of the insect. Okay, you have to look at the picture and say the insect name or this product is got from which insect. From which insect do we get this from? Okay, whether we get this from silkworm, we get this from cockroach, or we get this from honeybee. You have to choose the correct answer. We get this from silkworm, cockroach, or honeybee. 5th one. I'm reading the 5th question. Look at the bottle. You know what it is. It will be very tasty. You will get this from silkworm, cockroach, or honeybee. You have to choose it. From which insect you will get this? Done, Shravan? Okay. Identify the insect names. Look at the picture carefully. What is this insect? Earthworm, firefly, or dragonfly? Look at the insect carefully. See, it is earthworm, firefly, or dragonfly. You know the starting letter, no? With that you can identify whether it is earthworm, firefly, or dragonfly. You should identify the answer, children. Just don't say it as oral. Okay, you should look at the answer and find out which is that word. Earthworm, firefly, or dragonfly. What is this insect? Next, 7th question. What is this insect? Our favorite. Is it grasshopper? Is it beetle? Or is it ladybug? Is it grasshopper, beetle, or ladybug? Seventh one is that red color with black dots. Is it grasshopper, beetle, or ladybug? 8th one. Is this insect earthworm, bedbug, or snake? Is it earthworm, bedbug, or snake? 8th one. 8th question. Is it earthworm, bedbug, or snake? Okay, Lisha. 9th one, our favorite. Look at the picture and classify them as endangered or extinct. You know this animal. You very well know this animal, right? Is it an extinct animal or endangered animal? First one, endangered animal. Second option, extinct animal. Choose the correct option. Endangered animal or extinct animal. Ninth one, look at the picture. Find out whether it is an endangered animal or extinct animal. Time, Jayakrish, okay. 10th question. Look at this picture. Find out whether it is an endangered animal or extinct animal. First option is endangered animal. Second is extinct animal. Look at the picture and tell me whether it is endangered or extinct. Kaushik, are you read with me? Have you finished till the 10th question?
I'll do you, ma'am.
Okay. Eleventh question. What is a female of bull? Whether it is cow or horse. What is a female of bull? Is it cow or horse? Female of bull is cow or horse? Choose it. 12th one. Baby of lioness is. What is a baby of lion or lioness is called? Puppy or cub? Baby of lion and lioness is called puppy or cub? Kaushik, I want to sit properly when you write exam, Kaushik. Even if you are finished, you need to stay back. Baby of lioness is called puppy or cub? Question. Baby of elephant is called calf or joey? Baby of elephant is called calf or joey? Then Satvik. Okay, Satvik. Done, Shiva?
Ma'am.
Sing.
Yes, ma'am.
Sleepy? Sleepy? Okay. 14. Water transport or road transport? Look at the picture. Whether it is an air transport, water transport or road transport. Fifteenth one. What type of transport is this? Air transport, water transport or road transport? What type of transport? 15th one. Look at the picture. Air transport, water transport or road transport? 15th one. 16th one. Look at the yellow color picture. What is it? Air transport, water transport, or road transport? 16th one. Look at the picture. Identify whether it is air transport, water transport, or road transport. One. Identify the life cycle of butterfly. We studied the life cycle of butterfly, right? What is this? What is the stage of butterfly? Is it egg or pupa? 17th one. Is it egg or pupa? 17th one. Identify it as egg or pupa. 18th one. What is this? Caterpillar or cocoon? Is this caterpillar or cocoon? 19th one. Is it egg or butterfly? 19th one. Is it egg or butterfly? 20th. Is this butterfly or caterpillar? Is this butterfly or caterpillar? Moving on to 21st question. Anybody want me to stop or slow down? Shall we move on to the 21st question?
Send me the link, ma'am. She finished final network problem, all closed actually.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am has sent now. Can you please check?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you. 21st question. Identify the picture that prevents pollution. Look at what the boy is doing. That will help pollution. That will prevent pollution, or it will create pollution. Is it correct or not? What the boy is doing is correct or not? Is he preventing pollution? Say yes or no. Yes or no. Wait a second. The trees are cut down here in this picture. Will that prevent pollution? Is it correct or not? Say yes or no. 23rd question. Birds. 23rd question about birds. Is this a flying bird or flightless bird? Flying bird, flightless bird. First option is flying bird. Second option is flightless bird. Okay. Choose whether it is a flying bird or a flightless bird. 23rd question. Fourth question. There is a bird. Okay. Is it a flying bird or a flightless bird? 24th question. Look at the bird carefully. Is it a flying bird or a flightless bird? 25th question. Again, there is a bird. Flying bird or a flightless bird? Question. Is it a flying bird or a flightless bird? Flying bird, flightless bird. 27th question. Flying bird, flightless bird. Again, look at the picture. Is it a flying bird or a flightless bird? 27th question. Twenty-eighth question. Look at the animal. Is it a reptile or not? If it's a reptile, say yes. If it's not a reptile, say no. Okay. So look at the picture of 28th question. If it's a reptile, say yes. If it's not a reptile, say no. 29th question. Look at the picture. Is it a reptile? Say yes. If it's not a reptile, say no. Thirtieth question, the last question. Is it a reptile or not? The green color picture, is it a reptile or not? If it's a reptile, say yes. If it's not a reptile, say no. That's all. We are done.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay.
I done, ma'am. Only 10 done, ma'am. Ma'am, I done.
What I said, children, yesterday, you should not disturb others. Did I say or not? You should not unmute and talk. Others are writing, right? That's very bad. If you have finished, you can set up a message or you can just leave. Don't disturb others. Okay? Ryan, can you stay back, Ryan? If you have finished, please stay back, Ryan.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Okay, my husband. Good.
Ma'am, finished. I